Hello guys, welcome to the channel Ads with Lavnik. So this is the part 4 of the video series how you can generate quality leads for your real estate clients. So in the part 1, part 2 and 3 we have discussed the objective that you need to use, the buying type, the audience, and how you can create a form that will only attract qualified leads. Now in the part 4 I will be revealing the exact ad strategy that I use for my real estate clients, and also I will be dropping down a strategy that has helped me reduce my cost per lead for real estate client by up to 50% or even more. So without wasting any time, let's just go to the dashboard. So here you can see I have generated 5,236 leads for my real estate client at a cost of just 62.68 per lead, with a total amount spent of 3,28,215. So I will be revealing all the strategies that I used to achieve those results. Also, if you see on the another account, I have spent this month around 31,319 on this account with a cost per result of 56.84, and total number of leads that I have achieved is 559. So without wasting any time, let's just go to the Excel sheet. Now, for real estate, you usually work for either the commercial clients or the residential client. So for commercial and residential, the structure of our image ad creative will be similar. We will be formatting our image creative in a similar way, but I will be mentioning you what will be the order of the things that you have to mention on your creative, and what are the things that you should be adding on your creative. So for a commercial, first thing that you need to add is a great hook. Okay, so a hook can be like for, let's say, if we are marketing commercial property, right? So commercial properties are majorly used for invest purpose. So what you can do is you can write a great hook which is very big in size, so that if someone is scrolling, then in 1 or 2 seconds they read it out that okay, what it is about. So what you can maybe we can write something like get returns stronger than gold. First thing will be hook only. We will just mention the hook, and you can write it accordingly, or you can chat GPT, it will give you even better hooks. Now after you write the hooks, then in the next line you will be mentioning what it is. So in commercial property, there are multiple products that we promote, right? Be it office space, be it a shop, or anything like that. So what you have to do is, first you have to mention a great hook on your image ad. Then after that you have to mention what the product is. So let's say we mention premium retail shops, and after that we will be mentioning where it is. Okay, where it is. Let's say it is in Delhi NCR. Okay, so these are the 3 things that your creative should always have while you are running ads for your real estate client: a great hook, and then what the product is. In our case, let's assume it is premium retail shops. Basically it is retail shop, but this is the way of writing it. So we have mentioned premium retail shops, and then where it is, we have mentioned the location. So this makes it clear that what the product is and what the location is. Location is very important while you are working on the real estate clients. Now these 3 things are done. Now the most important part comes is numbers. So let's say if it is a commercial property, as said, that people majorly buy this for investment purpose. So we will mention the number as investment starts at, let's say, 50 lakhs. And then we will mention rupees 50,000 monthly return. Okay, you can mention this thing on your creative. So once you will give this a content brief to your designer, so what he will do is he will read this hook line, get returns stronger than gold, and create the creative on the basis of your theme. Okay, and then you will mention these things normally, that there is premium retail shop in Delhi NCR, and then investment start at 50 lakhs, and this will be the monthly return. So this will look very catchy and very informative without adding too much information on the creative. And these are the only important details that one would need when they are looking for commercial property. Okay, and the same format goes for residential ads as well. We will be using the same format, but obviously the the hooks and the what it is, where it is, or numbers might get slightly changed. So for real estate, we can use a hook like the heart of every family. Okay, we can mention this as a hook, and you can also uh, write other hooks as well. And then what it is, we can mention, let's say if it is 2 BHK flat, so we will mention the creative 2 BHK flats, and then we will mention the location, whatever the location is. Let's say again it is Delhi NCR. And then since in residential property, people usually buy to stay, or even if it is investment, then you can create your creatives basis on the two approaches. One will follow the investment format, and then the other one will follow the stay format. Okay, so now you can mention just price starts from, so whatever the price will be, you can mention that. So this will be your residential ad creative. So this is how you should be creating your image ads while you are working with the real estate clients. And trust me, this formats is very very clear to the people who are looking to the ads. They instantly get, okay, they the hook instantly grabs their attention, and then they instantly get to know what the product is and what the look and where it is located, and the numbers. If they would be interested in all of the above, then they will come to your lead gen form, and they will get a quote from you. Now this is the text on the image thing, creative thing, image ad thing. Now let's discuss about the strategy I was talking about that has helped me to drop my cost per lead up to 50% or even more. So I what I did is, I was testing out a few things. So what I did is, let's say if I create a image ad on the basis of this brief, right? So I asked my designer to add a animation on this image, a 3 to 4 second animation, not a very prominent animation. It might not even be very something that people notice very much, but it could be a very slight animation. Let's say if you add just this background and these waves are moving slightly, just that. So basically a very minute animation on the image ad. So I created two versions. One was the image ad, and the second one exactly same image ad but with the animation. And I compared the results from those, and trust me that if I was getting leads from this image ad was costing me around 1,000 rupees, then the leads that I was getting from this animation creative was somewhere around 500 or even 600, or for some reasons it was even lower. So why does it happens is because uh, when we add the animation, so Meta push video or animated content more than the static image. So even a 2 3 second animated video count as a video ad, which gets access to more inventory and usually cheaper CPMs. So motion adds a higher thumb stop rate as well, even subtle animation. And also, as you know, Meta track micro engagements like 2 second video view, 3 second video view, or percentages of completed video view. So when we use such animation, so let's say, our animated ad generates more early signals. It generates more 2 second video, more 3 second video, more completions, because it is of 3 or 4 seconds only, right? And that's how Meta pushes it more. It improves the ad quality, and hence lower CPMs and everything, and hence it help you achieve the lower cost per lead as well. So you can give you a test, you can test this strategy as well. What you have to do is, you once you create a image ad for ad purpose, what you can do is, you can just ask your designer to add a slight animation in the background, make it slightly moving, not very much, just slightly, even reflection of something coming on the creative, a very slight animation. It shouldn't be very prominent, very slight animations. Our goal is to just to make it a video of 3 to 4 seconds. You just have to do that. And once you test the creative with the exact same creative but image ad, then you will yourself see the difference, how much difference it will make for you. Okay, so now this was a creative strategy that I wanted to share it with you. Now for the video ads, you can create, if your clients has good budget, you can shoot some great videos with drones and everything. So this though you can do on the basis of what your competitors are doing, and you can create in same way, giving a walkthrough. If it is a residential property, then you can give a full walkthrough of the number of rooms there are in the property, or you can give a overview of the kitchen and other areas, and mention about things like if it is well furnished or not. So all these things you can add in the video. So video is quite a normal thing. I would say the main strategical thing that you need is on commercial or residential ad creatives, like how you will add, what you will add, what information you will add on those creatives. And this strategy that has helped me to reduce my cost per lead by up to 50%. So I want you to try these two things, and hopefully you will get better results for sure. So this is it for the video, guys. I hope I was able to add some value with this real estate series, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.